HBAR is testing a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are 10 members away from 200 members in our Telegram channel. For those of you that are interested in keeping up to date with market updates as well as my charts, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another HBAR analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on HBAR, we are testing our exponential moving averages once again. Yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that we are seeing a very strong resistance point here at 0.09. You can see that we did see a very nice bullish move upwards with the CPI data, but immediately after we rejected. So right now this move is starting to look more of a fake out and a possible continuation right back into our major target here at 0.073. Of course, if we come back down and retest the area of support at 0.083 times and we end up holding that level, we could be looking for a much stronger play opportunity in terms of HBAR for, of course, a massive bullish move set. Now, it is a little too early to say whether or not we are also seeing a possible W formation forming on HBAR, but of course, if we do end up hovering right above that 0.08 level, I would be very careful looking for that shorting opportunity since that pattern formation will become validated. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frames, you can see the fact that we are retesting our exponential moving averages multiple times. This is of course very bearish. The more times a support level is tested, the higher chances of it actually ending up breaking. Even on the hourly time frame, you can see the fact that we have retested this area of resistance, had a clean confirmation, and as of right now we are trading below our exponential moving averages. This of course area of resistance was a very crucial point even on the hourly. You can see that before HBAR tried to break above this level, we had multiple wick opportunities, but the only difference was we were using our exponential moving averages as support. As of right now, we are not doing the same thing. We are actually using them as resistance, and as you guys already know, when we start to use our exponential moving averages as resistance, we have a very massive move towards the downside. This is a beautiful area of a scalping opportunity, and for those of you that are in the Telegram channel, you guys already know we have made a ton of profits off these exponential moving averages. Using them as resistance is a very key factor in noticing a trend change, and as of right now, it looks like we have started to create something else that's completely different. I wanted to talk about the daily time frame quite a bit because it is quite interesting. You can see that we do have a gravestone doji on the daily, which I did talk about, and the fact that we did bounce off our exponential moving average. We are in a period of consolidation. The only problem is, of course, the fact that you can see in terms of RSI, we are in extreme overbought conditions. This on the daily time frames tends to be extremely dangerous, where we could be looking for a much stronger bearish engulfing candle, possibly breaking down all the way down to around 0.057. Of course, this is assuming once we end up breaking below our exponential moving averages. Before you guys jump ahead in the comments and start defending your moon boy theories, you guys need to understand that HBAR isn't one of those coins that tends to hold their support levels very well. You can see from the previous price analysis, within a week we saw a massive drop from 0.15 going all the way down to 0.07, which was a 50% drop. This would of course become no surprise if we ended up seeing another 50% drop from 0.08 going all the way down to 0.04, but of course that is the extreme case likely. What right now I'm saying is the fact that since we are in extreme overbought conditions, I would much rather be looking for a proper pullback opportunity before that continuation long. Entering at these levels, of course, is very dangerous. Looking at previous price analysis as well, you can see that we did have the same sort of level where we actually ended up breaking below on the 0.073 timeline before we ended up breaking above 0.09. As of right now, you can see that we have not yet tested that theory, so be very careful as you guys are trading this sort of price action because these moves tend to be extremely volatile. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.